Welcome to our exciting IPTV recording tutorial. Let's unlock the secrets of recording your shows. Before diving in, make sure you have a reliable IPTV provider like 2tv.store for optimal recording. First, let's discuss the tools you'll need for recording from your IPTV service efficiently. Most popular devices include laptops, smartphones, or dedicated IPTV set-top boxes. Let's explore them. You'll also need recording software or apps compatible with your device to capture live TV. Once you've selected the necessary tools, let's move on to the installation process. Start by downloading and installing your chosen recording app or software. It's usually straightforward. After installation, open the app and make sure your IPTV service is set up correctly. Next, let's configure the recording settings to ensure the best quality for your saved shows. Remember to select the preferred video quality and storage location for your recordings. Now it's time to schedule your recordings or manually start capturing your favorite shows. Scheduling options allow you to record ahead of time, perfect for busy lives and schedules. If you're recording live events, be prepared to start the recording at the right time. Now that you have your recordings, let's explore how to access them after saving. Open the app's library section to see all your recorded content conveniently listed. You're all set to watch your saved shows anytime you like. Remember to enjoy the content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.